At the Houston Galveston Area Local Development Corporation, we pride ourselves in being able to help small businesses, whether it's starting or expanding their business. We played a pivotal role in Amaya's Collision Center's journey. Let's talk to Oscar and learn more about it.
Originally, it's my dad, Oscar. He started the company back in, I guess, in '99, but it first started back in '82 when he immigrated from El Salvador here to Texas. In the beginning, he just wanted to work in the automotive industry, but it kind of grew into more of a passion. And with the growth that we're having within the company, we decided to really find a loan, and we're able to find the 504 loan. We utilized the 504 loan to purchase our back building, which consists of our body and paint side. We are a gold class certified shop, which means that all of our technicians have the proper training to, to make sure that we are able to work on the vehicles, especially the more modern vehicles, in regards to their safety components, pre-collision safety systems, and all that. So with the current training that we have, we're able to work on these vehicles more efficiently, and we're able to fix them according to OEM standards. So we definitely recommend other small businesses to the local development corporation for acquiring a loan and to kind of expand and to be able to, get their feet on the ground when it comes to equipment, their building or anything like that. So if we had to seek out another loan, some type of financing, we would definitely seek out a local development corporation to assist us in that. I mean, they helped us a lot, and that's why it's a big part in why we're here right now. I mean, we're able to succeed because of that. So we definitely recommend going to SBA and trying to find financing through them. So.
To find out how the Houston Galveston Area Local Development Corporation can help your business, visit our website, hgaldc.com, and let us play a pivotal role in your business journey.